Here at KCU, the kids are the teachers, and we are your professors.
That means
KJ Fisher
and Izzy McGee.
We are going to create, learn,
And play
all day, every day.
So grab your goggles
And grab your glue and get ready to learn something new. Because class
is now in session
at KCU. Welcome to Kids Creative University. Today we're making a sweet flow. So here's the equipment you need. You need a graduated cylinder, a pipette, a measuring spoon, 4 cups or glasses, and a spoon for mixing.
So the ingredients you need sugar, you need food coloring, and you need some tap water.
So with that being said, let's make it! So we're going to start by taking our measuring spoon and putting 1 teaspoon of sugar in here.
And the other one you have to put 2.
So then we're going to put 2 in this one. 2. You need 1 tablespoon of sugar in here. 2. This one's 2. This one is 4, and that one is 6. So 1, 2, 4, 6. So I'm gonna put 4 in this one. 1. Yep. So now Izzy's gonna take the tablespoon and.
So now you're gonna take the tablespoon and put 1 tablespoon of water in each cup. Now.
So we're gonna take our pipette and we're gonna stir. Make sure your water is warm so your sugar can dissolve. So now we're gonna add the food coloring.
Yeah.
So
It's important to note the red food coloring will go into the cup that has 1 tablespoon of sugar. The yellow, 2. And blue, 4. And then the purple one has to go in the cup that has 6 tablespoons of sugar.
Izzy's gonna take these 2 cups. And I'm gonna take these 2. Okay.
And now it's time for the food coloring.
Yep. So you're gonna do.
Yeah. Take the food coloring.
Okay, so we're gonna move our bowls. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay. So now you're gonna do 1 drop of red into this, 1 drop of yellow into that, and I'm gonna do 1 drop of blue into this cup. Let's go. Okay.
1.
Oops. Oh, okay, there's my drop. So guys, here's the tricky part about my second one. It's not just 1 color. It's 2 colors combined.
Yeah.
So I have to make purple, meaning I have to do 1 drop of blue and 2 drops of red. So I'm gonna do 2 drops of red.
Okay.
And then 1 drop of blue. Oh jeez. Okay, whatever. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, I see the purple coming.
Me too. Looks like mystery colors are. Oh, the blue looks so blue with the sugar. Now we have our colors. Now we can start with the purple.
And guys, remember, it's purple, blue, yellow, red. Basically backwards.
Yeah. So let's see.
So I'm gonna hold this
Oh wow.
and just pour it in. Don't waste, don't waste, don't waste. Okay,
That's overflow.
now let's do the blue, and we're gonna use the pipette. So in the first part, we knocked ours over, but this one's supposed to look like when we're done.
sweet because we made of sugar.
And with our liquid layers, the less dense floated up to the top.
And the more dense sent all the way to the bottom. So he's going to go one more time.
Okay.
One.
That's really cool. Izzy, I dare you to taste it.
No!
Taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it.
Okay. I want to taste the blue.
Ooh, taste it, taste it. You know what? I'll taste one. Let's see. Which one looks interesting? Oh, I'll do yellow.
Uh-oh. Taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it. Spit it out.
That is not good. You don't have to taste it if you don't want to.
It's tasteable, but it's not drinkable.
No.
See you next time,